What is up, YouTube? We're back. We got another Hat Club pickups video, this time part 18. This time finally, I was talking about in the last pickups video, part 17, so it'll be down in the description, but I was talking about how Canada Post and everything, the postal service has been so damn slow. Yo, literally fucking like 4 packages came in this week. I'm gonna start off with the local icons pack. So this was a restock of obviously an old pack that has came out for many years. One that I've been waiting for a restock because I just started getting into Hat Club. And yeah, and they did a lot of stock on these. A lot, like for a while it was sitting on the site. I don't know if it still is now, but I got both hats from the local icons pack, and I'll show you the first one. The first one, the New York Yankees cap. This one is freaking ridiculous, man. So pretty much, like I said, the local icons pack actually is pretty much all local kind of things that kind of resonate with the city, right? So I'll give you a breakdown of the entire cap. So pretty much the entire hat is the navy upper, the classic New York Yankees navy. New York Yankees logo, the regular standard logo in white, super clean. So the patches. So we're gonna start on the right side. They got this like, dude, it literally reminds me of the Air Canada logo. I don't know why. I don't know why they picked that, and it's in green. So I don't know what this is actually. This is the one thing I do not know. And then you got the Empire State in this script writing in white, which is really cool. This really nice patch on the back side, the Brooklyn Bridge in brown, and then you got black and white. Here, super big patch. I really like that one. Batterman is flat and it's silver, gray, navy, and white. It's just the standard Yankees Batterman. It's got the Big Apple. Obviously, New York City is the Big Apple of city that never sleeps. Super nice. I really like that one, the Big Apple. And then they got like a Yankee Stadium patch for obviously the Yankees, right? So Yankee Stadium in the Bronx. If you haven't been there. Amazing stadium. Obviously 2009 is when they opened it up, the new one, because they used to have obviously the old one that was there from when Babe Ruth was there. And then obviously, who doesn't know about the hot dog stands? Obviously in New York, they got their food stands right over there. It's the bottom of the hat, obviously it's got black guts, super simple. I like that. Gray UV, the right choice here. And then it's actually got the Hat Club logo actually on the inside, right? Because it's a totally custom hat. 100% polyester, made in China, and my size, by the way, is 7 3/4, so you don't already know. And let me show you the fit. So the fit on this one is pretty good. Can't complain too much. I did stretch it a little bit because it wasn't amazing. Definitely had to be adjusted a little bit, so the sizing isn't great on this, but some of the Chinas have been a little better lately, but with some of the hats you're gonna see today, it wasn't so great. I really like it. Some people say this is super loud and everything. I'm a huge sports fan and everything, so I like little touches like this. This is really cool. And I know it's not like sports patches or anything, but I think it's super cool. So, all right, for the other one from the same pack, obviously I had to have the Los Angeles Dodge. This is the one I wanted the most forever. So it is that entire Dodger blue, pretty much the entire thing, the button, everything. So it's got the Dodger logo obviously in that white classic. I don't know exactly what the inspiration for the roses are that are red and green leaves on here, but I do figure, I'm a huge football fan. One of my things on my bucket list is to go to the Rose Bowl Stadium in Pasadena. That's the inspiration for me on the roses. It's probably something else. And it's got a Dodger Stadium hat established 1962 in Chavez Ravine, Los Angeles, California. It's got the baseball diamond there, blue, reds, whites. This is really cool in the script writing as well. Los Angeles, really nice. That's really cool as well. The Batterman is outlined in white, flat, and that is flat, blue, and red, which is just standard Dodgers, right? Like nothing new there. Obviously it's got the palm trees, and then you got the brown, what's it called, trunk, and then you got the green leaves. Really nice. Obviously you got the nice palm trees, and then you got like pretty much the lowrider whip, which has major 90s vibes. It's got like the car is red. It's like a Mustang, I think. On the side, again, black guts, gray UV. Cannot go wrong with this. It was the right choice. New era, 100% polyester, again, made in China. And yeah, so that's that. If you want to see that, I don't know. And I'll show you the fit on this one. The fit on this one is a lot better than the Yankees one. I don't know what it was. I stretched it a little bit just to have a little bit more room, but it was not. This one is a much better fit than the Yankees. So if you're wondering, that was my experience with it. And this one is super nice. I'll show you how it looks kind of here with all the patches on the side profile there. Can't show you the back, unfortunately, again. But yeah, the signs are really nice. I think this one's better than the Yankees one, but to each their own. I really like this one though. Alright, so for the last collection today of the day, the Campfire collection. One I've been waiting for a while. Orange is my favorite color and stuff, and they released this back in October 2020. Finally restocked it here on Black Friday this year. They had a ton of stock on this collection. But before we get into the hats, there was 5 pins that came out with this collection. I got this pin, which is really nice, but for some reason I got the same one. I don't know why for both of them, but regardless, it's great. It's pretty much a marshmallow with his head on, like, is roasted, running pretty much. Really nice touches with the flame in that burnt orange. The outline is really nice, really cut cool. I love this pin. It's so funny. Definitely gonna put on my Campfire hats, but yeah, it's a super cool pin. All right, so the first one I got, I had to get my Jays, man. This is my favorite color, man. And this burnt orange goes freaking crazy. They decided to pick, obviously, the regular, like, classic Jays, so, which was nice. I'll give you a breakdown of the entire hat. So pretty much the entire hat is in this burnt orange color, like I was saying, and the logo here, which is really nice, dude, so nice. It's got pretty much that Jays logo in, I think it's like a black right here. It's got like a light orange, like a citrus orange, and then it's got like a darker orange, which is more of the burnt. And the patch is really nice. This is what kind of sold me to 1992 World Series, the first World Series win here in Toronto. It's got a lot of glitter on this one. I love these like globe ones that they had. The Batterman is in this black, I believe it's black, white, and a little orange outline. And it is black guts as well, which is super good. Green UV on the Campfires. That's kind of why they're maybe sitting back then, just because it was a pink and icy run that people were saying. Everybody was going crazy for those, and they kind of slept on the greens, right? So green's super nice here. It goes really well, actually. 100% polyester, made in Bangladesh. We haven't seen one of those in a while. It's been a minute, and obviously 7 3/4. I'll show you the fit on this. The fit is really good on this. I really like it. I did not stretch this one yet. It's super nice. I wore this the other day on Christmas Eve. It's super nice. I know it's very Thanksgiving colors, but I had to rock my favorite color. Just super nice colors. Obviously that side patch goes nuts. And yeah, I can't go wrong with this one. All right, and I got the Colorado Rockies for the other one. I've been dying for this logo. It just hasn't, I guess it hasn't been meant to be when I actually went to go try and get this. Finally got it, hit on it. I was kind of shocked. So the logo, it's got like glitter on the actual mountain, and then it's got that citrus orange on the outline. So the mountain's making an appearance again on the side patch. It's got this glitter outline, and then it's got that citrus orange in like the sky. Then the mountains are white, and then you got black. Colorado's in that citrus orange, and the 25 is with a white inside. I like that patch. And then it's obviously got the newer logo in the burnt orange. Like, then the Batterman is in black and white, just like the other one. Black guts, green UV, Cooperstown collection, 100% polyester, made in Bangladesh again, 7 3/4. So that's pretty nice. Can't go wrong with that. And I'll show you the fit on this one. See, the fit is a little bit tighter on this one. It's a little troublesome, but I'm probably gonna stretch it a tad, but it is still a pretty good fit. It just needs to be stretched a bit, just so, because I feel like it'll make a little line on my head if I wear it for a bit. So, but yeah, this one's super nice, man. I love the Rocky logo. It actually goes crazy. Remember, I wasn't really sure how it would look on my head, but I'm actually really happy with what came out. So this one's super nice, kind of like a bucket list thing, and yeah, super happy I have it. But yeah, guys, that is it for the video here today. Let me know what you thought about the Campfires and the local icons pack. Obviously, very grabbable collections and stuff, great ones, especially the Campfire collection. Everybody's been waiting for that forever. And let me know down below if you ordered from any of them, and if you ordered from the Campfire collection, what pins did you get? Tell me what you got. I think they're super nice, and I'm kind of curious, did you get 2 different ones? If you got more than one hat, I would like to know, honestly, just hear somebody else's experiences and stuff. So, but anyways, guys, thank you for watching. If you made it this far, you consider leaving a like, commenting, subscribing, and turn that post notification bell down below as well. It helps us a ton here on the channel. You continue to grow, and if you want to see more Hat Club Pickups videos, subscribe to the channel. You'll be able to see all those. I try and post them whenever I get them. This week there's 2, including this one. So stay tuned for one a little bit later in the week, I think. So and we got some great ones in that video as well. So actually more heat, I would think. So thank you for watching Hat Club Pickups Part 18, the Campfire Collection, the Local Icons Pack. Take care, guys.